I'm here today to share the screwdriver set with you. I am so excited to have this. I think this is a perfect size to kind of store with our batteries, where we're constantly changing out with lots of things with our family. So let me go ahead and open it up and we'll try it out and we'll see how it works. All right, so after trying this out, it worked great. I am so excited to have this. I love how many different bits there are. I don't have this on just my regular drill. So many different options here. This is especially great if you're working with very small things like electronics. My brother-in-law loves to fix switches and Nintendos and things like that. So actually this would be an amazing gift for him because it's just gonna make it a lot faster. So I loved how compact it is, and then all the extras that it came with. Best of all is that it's rechargeable. That way you can always have a good charge, and it charges up pretty quick. So I think if you're looking for an electric screwdriver, this is a great one, and I think you're gonna love it. So thanks for watching.